Alright guys and gals, I've been recording the woodpecker for several minutes and I don't think I pushed the record button and now I lost him. Where the hell is this goddamn woodpecker? I hope I got some of it. Son of a bitch, I hope I got some of it. Guys and gals, I looked and the dot was a square. Circle gets a square. There he is again. I'll stay on him for a few minutes, but then I'm going out. His head's not shining red. Oh, there it is, a little bit of sunlight. I was shooting him for a long time. I looked up and I don't know if I pushed the wrong button. What happened? Been there a while. It was a lousy picture, but at least you see how big he is. He's giant. Let me pause. Okay, guys and gals. Hopefully I didn't lose him. You can hear him now. Am I on him? Hey, I'm right on him. Isn't that cool? Let me go over here and set this down on the ground. God, I wish he was in the sun. It's so cool watching him though. Hang on, guys. I'm trying to hang in there. Maybe we'll get a decent shot. Maybe we won't. This is a giant woodpecker. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. I have to get a stable. I just would love to see him when he's flying. He's so big compared to our woodpecker. Hang on, guys and gals. I'm close to a setup. I got a setup. Ted, I'm working on a perfect setup for us. I don't care how long he pecks. I got a squirrel coming over for a peanut. He hasn't been this close. And you know what I hope he's doing? I hope he's building a little den or something. I get my hands off of that thing and see if it'll set steady. Where are you, honey? I'm sitting in my chair trying to hand a squirrel a peanut. Yeah, come on, son. The sun is coming up, guys and gals. Look at the force and the sound of that pounding. Come here, little one. Come on, I'll give you a peanut. You come over. She's roaming around down there racing. Well, guys and gals. That sounds like a solid tree, doesn't it? I just wish it was on the other side poking holes and we'd be in the sun. Use your pinch to zoom, guys and gals. He's really going at it. I wish I could zoom more, guys and gals. See, catching his hair. There's a branch in the way that's preventing us. There's a squirrel right here on some peanut. Come on back, I'll get you one. Mama. Come on, come on. Come on back, come on. Come on, come on. She's looking right at me. Brr, it's cold out, guys and gals. Oh yeah. Try to change the lighting a little bit better. I think it's too light. We're losing Hey, you want a peanut down there? White ears is down there. Come here, white ears. Come on, get a peanut. Took off like a rabbit. I'm dying to give white ears a peanut. I don't know if you guys have met. I think it's a him. It could be a her. But I think it's a him. Won't be around long, but see that? That's too light, but I can't dark. Hey, it keeps doing lightning on its own. That's interesting. It's trying to get a better picture for us, and maybe that's what that circle was. I don't know half the crap about this phone. How long you want to watch a woodpecker peck a tree? They'll go on for an hour or so. I just can't believe he's pecking on such a hard piece of wood. You hear how solid it is? I can't see it very well either. That sucks. This is as close as I've got. I'm gonna leave the camera here and hope I can catch him flying away. 5 times zoom, I'm not gonna see much. God, he's big. He is so big, guys and girls. Look how big he is. I just picked my glasses up. Look at the size of that woodpecker. He's huge. He's gotta be 12, 14 inches long. Oh God, we're getting some better pictures now. Come on, buddy. What are you doing? I can see much better in my eyes. Should I walk over there, guys and gals, and take the chance that he flies away on us? I should, shouldn't I? Otherwise, we'll be watching him peck all day and we won't get a good shot. We gotta go for the shot. You're gonna go for a wild ride, hang on. You know I will shake more. Let me try to find him before I get too close. I don't see him anymore. I'm in a bad angle. Where is he, guys and gals? Do you see him? The tree that he's in, my eyes are so bad. He's supposed to be in this tree right in front of me. I'm scaring him. Maybe I'm scaring him. God, he's right behind that tree somewhere. I'm going as slow as I can, guys. See him, point him out. I can't remember what tree he was in, but it sounds like this one. There he is. He's right there, guys and gals, right in front of me. There he goes. God dang, I lost him. That was cool. I wonder how much I got. I was on 5 times zoom, guys. No, 2 times zoom, so maybe we got some. Well, it was a cool morning, woodpecker. What is the name of that? Woodpecker. I'll pause, I'll look it up, and then I'll say it. Or I'll just put it in writing on the overlay. He's coming back. He's right there now. I hope we caught that. I'm not going to be able to see him. The trees are too big here. Did you see him flying? God, he's so big. Hope he hangs out more. I would love some sunshine shots of that woodpecker with that big red tuft on top of his head. Our woodpeckers have little short orange kind of hair, and this woodpecker has a huge red tuft. All right, guys, that's it. Woodpecker.